Imagine standing face to face with a dangerous manipulator who is desperately trying to control you. Your natural instinct is to fight back, show strength, and prove that you are smarter than them. But against a highly skilled predator, showing your teeth is a massive mistake. It tells them exactly how high your walls are, forcing them to hide their real intentions and play a much dirtier, quieter game. The ultimate way to destroy a manipulator is not through a display of raw power, but through a brilliant strategy known as tactical vulnerability. Instead of pretending to be bulletproof, you intentionally show them a fake crack in your armor. You fake a minor failure, pretend to be slightly confused, or act like you are completely overwhelmed by a situation. You give them a calculated opening. When a toxic person sees this controlled weakness, their predatory instincts completely take over. Their ego explodes with confidence, blinding them to the reality of the situation. Believing they have already won, they will overextend their hand and do the one thing they usually avoid at all costs. They will openly reveal their hidden agenda. You turn their own arrogance into a lethal trap. To execute this trap flawlessly, we have to understand the biological glitch inside a manipulator's brain. Most toxic individuals possess a hyperactive reward processing system. When they perceive someone as weaker or beneath them, their brain immediately floods with a massive wave of dopamine. This sudden chemical high creates an intense state of dangerous, unearned overconfidence. Neurologists call this cognitive myopia, or extreme short-sightedness. When the brain is drunk on the feeling of absolute dominance, the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for risk assessment and cautious planning, practically goes offline. They stop scanning the environment for threats. They genuinely believe they are the smartest person in the room, making them incredibly sloppy. By feigning a little bit of incompetence, you are actively manipulating their brain chemistry. You are feeding their insatiable hunger for superiority. While they are busy enjoying their fake sense of victory and looking down on you, they completely stop covering their tracks. They leave behind massive, undeniable evidence of their true malice that anyone in the social circle can see. So, how do you actually manufacture this calculated opening in real life, without looking completely helpless? It requires absolute emotional discipline. If a toxic coworker or friend is trying to undermine you, stop defending your territory. Instead, agree with their subtle criticisms. Say something like, "You know, you might be right. I'm really struggling to understand this system lately." The moment you say those words, watch their body language change. Their posture will expand, their tone will become patronizing, and they will start giving you unprompted advice. This is the bait taking hold. Because they believe you are completely dependent on their guidance, they will naturally lower their guard and start bragging about how they manage things behind the scenes. They will start sharing information they should have kept secret. Or they will make an aggressive, greedy move to take full credit for your work in a public setting. They do this because they are completely convinced that you are too weak, too scared, or too stupid to ever call them out on it. They are walking directly into the trap you built, entirely driven by their own vanity. Once the manipulator has fully overextended themselves and exposed their hidden agenda to the room, it is time to flip the switch. You don't react with anger, tears, or emotional drama. Instead, you instantly drop the mask of weakness and introduce cold, hard data. You present the exact receipts, emails, or system logs that completely contradict the lies they just told, because their brain was operating in a state of high dopamine and low caution. Your sudden shift to absolute competence will trigger a massive psychological shockwaves inside their mind. Their nervous system will instantly plunge from supreme confidence into a state of acute panic. They will freeze up completely, unable to logically explain how a weak target suddenly outmaneuvered them. By using their own public actions as the evidence against them, you completely destroy their social leverage. You don't have to convince the group that this person is a toxic liar. The manipulator proved it to everyone with their own mouth because they thought it was safe to do so. You have transformed their perceived dominance into a total, public organizational execution. The weakness trap teaches us that true psychological maturity is knowing when to hide your light. You don't always need to project power to be powerful. In a world full of loud egos fighting for dominance, the quiet individual who can control their own pride and use fake vulnerability as a tactical mirror is the most dangerous and untouchable force in the entire environment. Stop wasting your valuable energy arguing with people who are committed to misunderstanding you. Stop trying to prove your intelligence to predators who only want to consume your peace. Let them believe they are winning. Let them think you are naive, simple, and easily managed. Treat their arrogance as a strategic resource that you can use to clean them out of your life forever. The next time you sense a malicious manipulator entering your personal or professional space, do not build a wall. Build a bridge that looks incredibly fragile, and invite them to cross it. When they step out onto the middle of it, with all their heavy arrogance, simply pull the pin. Reclaim your absolute autonomy. Leave them to fall into their own void, and keep moving forward.